You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made, your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
Hey, what is up guys, my name is Tayo, and in this video I'll be doing a review on the Umidigi A3S smartphone, so sit back and relax. By the way, if you're new here, welcome to the family. So all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated whenever I upload new content, and it really helps the channel a lot. By the way, you can help us to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this year. It will be really cool of you. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Umidigi A3S is a glass sandwich with a metal frame, and I find it uncomfortable while using it naked because it digs into my palm. So that's why I use the case that comes with it for extra protection and for better grip. It has a 5.7-inch IPS HD Plus multi-touch display with a 1440 by 720 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19 by 9, so video consumption maxes out at 720p, which is decent, which means no notch but fairly decent bezels. A dual camera setup consisting of a 16 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 13 megapixel selfie camera with flash for both front and rear camera. Here are some shots I took with the rear camera.
You're driving me crazy.
Here is what is supposed to be a portrait shot from this smartphone, but the fact that there is a 5 megapixel depth sensor present on this smartphone, this is totally horrible, not acceptable at all. Here is a video taken from the rear facing camera at 1080p 30 frames per second, which I think looks decent. Here are pictures taken from the selfie camera. I think it looks okay, and it also shoots videos at 1080p 30 frames per second. So this video from the first facing camera, how do you think? Is it good enough for this smartphone? Comment down your thoughts in the description below. It has a 3950 mAh battery, which lasts about 1 or 2 days on light usage and a day on full usage, which consists of gaming, watching YouTube videos and responding to emails. So that responding to emails nowadays is somewhat like a full-time job. Comment down below if you get up to 10 or even more emails per week, so we just have fun. Anyways, let's keep that aside. Moving on. It has 2 GB of LPDDR3 RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, and can be extended up to 64 GB of storage with an SD card. I would have preferred at least 4 GB of RAM and at least 64 GB of internal storage, so it can keep up to modern games like PUBG, Fortnite and the likes. So if you want me to make a gaming test on this smartphone, just hit me up at the comment section and I'll start working on it ASAP. It has a MediaTek Helio A22 chipset with a quad-core processor clocked at 2 GHz, which isn't blazing fast, but for the 12nm processor it makes it reasonably efficient. It has a rear fingerprint scanner which is reasonably fast, and also face unlock, which is also very fast. It is a 4G device, so download speeds are pretty fast, and it has no IP certification, so if it falls into the water, the smartphone is done for. It comes with an old school micro USB port, which is a bummer, and I don't know why the phone has an headphone jack but no earphone in the box. Maybe to save cost, I guess. Here is a speaker test from the single down facing speaker compared to the original song.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always.
Well, I think it passes. Or comment down your thoughts below. All in all, this smartphone is pretty good. I mean, you get literally what you paid for. So if you're just going for the Android 10 experience and the future software updates, you can go for this smartphone. And if you're really on a really low budget, you can get this smartphone. And that's all for the review of the Umidigi A3S smartphone. Comment down the feature you like most about this smartphone in the comment section. I'll be going through it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder, 'cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.